In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a fade into an audio in DaVinci Resolve. This is a very simple edit, but it can make a big difference in how polished your audio sounds. A fade-in helps the sound start more smoothly instead of coming in suddenly, which is especially useful for music, background audio, voice clips, or any sound that feels too abrupt at the beginning. To get started, go to the audio clip where you want to add the fade in. Make sure you're looking at the clip clearly on your timeline, because the adjustment you need is built right into the edges of the audio clip itself. Once you click on the audio, you'll notice small white marks at the top corners of the clip, one on the left and one on the right. These are the fade handles. The one on the left controls the fade in, and the one on the right controls the fade out. For this tutorial, we're only focusing on the fade in, so look at the white mark on the top left edge of the audio clip. Now click and drag that top left white mark slightly to the right. As you do this, DaVinci Resolve creates a fade in at the beginning of the clip. That means the audio will start at a lower volume and gradually rise until it reaches its normal level. Even a small adjustment can be enough, so you usually don't need to drag it very far unless you want a much slower, softer entrance. A good tip here is to keep the fade length appropriate for the type of audio you're editing. If it's dialogue, a very short fade is often best so the speech still sounds natural and doesn't lose important words. If it's music or ambient sound, you can make it a little longer for a smoother and more cinematic feel. And that's it. That's how you add a fade into an audio clip in DaVinci Resolve. It only takes a second, but it can instantly improve the overall quality of your edit by making the audio feel cleaner and more professional. If you're working with multiple clips, you can repeat the same process on each one by clicking the clip and dragging the top left fade handle. Once you get used to spotting those white markers, this becomes one of the quickest audio adjustments you can make in your timeline. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.